Hello, my name is Abby. I'm the mum and sole parent to my 3-year-old daughter Willow. Welcome to my channel, The Unofficial Guide to Positive Parenting. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to be a more patient and empathetic parent. So let's face it, the second you become a parent, suddenly your whole life revolves around this new little person and making sure that their every needs are met. And because you're so focused on making sure your little one's needs are met, it's sometimes very easy to forget about your own. And as babies turn into toddlers and then toddlers start preschool and suddenly you're not even known by your first name anymore, you're known as so-and-so's parent, you socialise less, you work out less, and you just start to lose a bit of yourself in the chaos of being a parent. So today I'm here to tell you to stop and think about you for a second. And I promise you this is all relevant, because if you start to look after yourself mentally, socially, professionally, psychologically, then you will see a huge difference in your overall well-being. You will feel less stressed and overwhelmed. You will find that you're a calmer and a happier person, which will enable you to deal with situations more effectively. So bringing it back to the point of this video, you will become a more patient and empathetic parent. So you need to be eating well, sleeping at least 7 hours a night where possible, doing something that you enjoy, like starting a new hobby. You know, I started my original YouTube channel, Willow's World Kids Activities, because it got to the point where I had almost lost myself. I'd gone from, a fast-paced life, I was working all over the place, drinking all over the place, out with my friends all the time, to being at home with a small child who couldn't even really communicate with me at the time because she couldn't talk, so I couldn't even have, a conversation with her. And that's when I thought to myself, I was like, I need to do something for me so that I can feel like me again. I couldn't even, during lockdown, take her to the park anymore. So we're literally, like everyone else, we're stuck at home, able to go for like one walk a day. And so I went and bought myself a camera, I bought some editing software, and I decided to base the channel around something that I could do with Willow, which obviously the most obvious thing to do was kids activities. And we had so much fun, it really did solve the problem at the time. And by the way, even though I don't upload any more videos at the moment to that channel, it is still there for you to see, so do check it out if you are looking for activities to do with your little ones. Just search Willow's World Kids Activities. I'll put a link in the description of this video as well. So anyway, I started waking up happier. I started becoming more patient with Willow, more empathetic towards her needs. And when we weren't filming and when I wasn't editing the videos, I was looking forward to when we'd be doing it again. So that just goes to show that having a hobby and something that you look forward to, so whether that be reading a book or doing a workout, it really does help with your overall well-being. So maybe you could think of something that you would like to start. So whether that be a boxing class, start running, put some time aside to read a book, start a course in something that you'd like to learn about. Just really try and put some time aside to do something for you. And I promise you, you'll feel calmer, you'll feel able to deal with difficult situations better. And the best part is that your kids will see the very best version of you, not your stressed out, overwhelmed and frustrated self. And please let me know in the comments what you are going to do for you. And remember, it doesn't only benefit you, it's going to benefit the kids as well, and you absolutely deserve it. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing. And if you gained anything from this video at all, then please give it a like. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, where I generally post lots of quick clip parenting tips, which are generally sort of 30 to 60 seconds long, which have proven quite popular. And please do share this video with anyone you think may need to take a little bit of time out for themselves. Thanks again for being here, and we'll see you next time.